The making of Coca-Cola, and inside the factory. Every bottle of Coca-Cola starts with one simple ingredient, water. But what happens next is a carefully controlled process repeated millions of times every day. Inside Coca-Cola factories, water is purified through advanced filtration systems to meet exact quality standards. Before anything is mixed, technicians test each batch to ensure consistency, safety, and taste. Next, sugar is carefully dissolved into heated water, creating a smooth base for the drink. This base is combined with Coca-Cola's famous syrup, prepared under strict security and precision. The syrup flows through sealed pipes, measured to the exact ratio required for every bottle. Carbon dioxide is then added, creating the signature fizz that makes Coca-Cola instantly recognizable. Now the drink is fully mixed, balanced, and ready for bottling. Meanwhile, empty plastic bottles are created on site, formed in seconds using high-speed molding machines. Each bottle is thoroughly rinsed to ensure absolute cleanliness. The filling process begins with hundreds of bottles filled at the same time with perfect accuracy. Caps are sealed instantly, locking in freshness and carbonation. Iconic red labels are applied at high speed, transforming the bottles into a familiar sight. Dates and batch codes are printed for quality tracking and safety. Every bottle is inspected by cameras and trained staff before moving forward. Robotic systems pack the bottles into cartons with incredible efficiency. The cartons are stacked, wrapped, and prepared for transport. Finally, delivery trucks carry Coca-Cola to stores around the world. From factory to fridge, this is how Coca-Cola is made.